Fire alarm to Rochester Fire. Respond 38 Monroe Drive for a carbon monoxide alarm. Fire alarm to Rochester Fire. Respond 38 Monroe Drive for a carbon monoxide alarm.
Station 2 fire alarm.
What?
We'll be on Monroe for the carbon monoxide detector.
I have you on 38 Monroe Drive for a carbon monoxide alarm. Tenant reported that the carbon monoxide alarm was reset and is still going off in the residence. Everyone has evacuated.
Appreciate.
Fire alarm, EMS, Rochester Fire, respond 78 Hemingway Drive, apartment 62, Charlie level 6 person. Fire alarm, EMS, Rochester Fire, respond 78 Hemingway Drive, apartment 62, Charlie level 6 person.
Engine 2 fire alarm. We'll be on scene.
Engine 2 on scene.
Engine 4 fire alarm.
Engine 4, go ahead.
We'll be on to Hemingway.
Engine 4 on to Hemingway.
Engine 4, responding 78 Hemingway Drive. It's going to be apartment 62. The door is locked. The reporting party does not have a spare key. She's having difficulty breathing and too weak to get out.
Fire alarm, EMS 4.
EMS 4.
We'll be on.
EMS 4 on responding 78 Hemingway Drive for the Charlie level 6 person, 73-year-old female, conscious breathing, alert, not breathing normally, too weak to stand, can't get up, and doors locked.
Headquarters to 5-8. You respond to 29 Jackson Street for burglary.
No. Engine 4 fire alarm.
Go ahead.
We're off to Hemingway.
Engine 4 off at Hemingway.
Fire alarm, EMS 4.
4, go ahead.
We're on scene, Hemingway.
EMS 4 on scene.
Engine 2 fire alarm.
Go ahead.
You have positive readings. It's been ventilated, and we're clear returning.
Received. Positive readings. Mitigated. Returning.